Hi, my name is Beamer, and we're removing the top half of a carburetor from a moped. The top half of a carburetor is usually where the throttle cable attaches to the carburetor, which can be separated from the carburetor by these two top screws. To remove it, first you want to take off your choke slide right here. This is usually a flat metal piece that attaches to a rod that comes out of the top. And then from that, you'll need to remove the main slide from the throttle cable to remove it away from the bike. On this particular model, there's a spring connected to it, and when you push up against the spring, the cable comes out through the slide, and if you push it over into the bigger hole, the main slide comes right off. Spring will come off after that. And then the top of the carb removes like that.